7-2. Hot Rod's in charge. First of 3 between these two sides this weekend. And misses high. Back left shoulder. From the letters, the 2-0. A whiff and a miss at a fastball. Team's getting back in the way Major League clubs as well. Getting back swinging out of the All-Star break. As 2-2 popped the pitch. And Robertson fouls it off. 3-2 to Robertson. Swing and a miss for strike 3. Late on a 92-mile fastball. James leads off at first. Drew Baker, left fielder, 1-0. Swing and a miss as the bat goes flying up against the netting towards the on-deck circle. He's 0 for 3 today, riding a 13-game on-base streak coming in. 1-1, and a breaking ball slithers across the heart of home plate for a called a 1-2. Swing and a miss. He lunges at a slider down and out of the zone. Two were both. First pitch to lefty swinger Jones gets tied up on a slider for strike. 0-1 from Cohen. Is off the plate outside at 90.
Well, hopefully not the one seam.
Over the years. 1-2 runner in motion. Called strike 3 on the outer half. So Harrison Cohen gives up a leadoff single, strikes out the next 3, and leaves Cameron James over at first base. No run hit. Get a man left through